Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you something super fun and completely free, how to turn your photo into a cartoon using Canva in 2025. Whether you want a playful avatar or just a fun social media picture, I've got you covered with two different methods that give unique results. First, let's get started by uploading your photo to Canva. Simply go to Uploads and drag in the image you want to transform. I'm using this photo here. It works perfectly for this example. Now, for the first method, click on your image and head down to Apps in the bottom left corner. In the search bar, type Cartoon, and you should see Cartoonify appear. Click on it, then select Open. Make sure your image is selected, and Cartoonify will automatically scan and transform your photo into a cartoon style. And just like that, your image is now fully cartoonified. It's that simple. If you want a slightly different style, let's try method number 2. Drag in the same image again, go back to Apps, and this time search for Anime. You'll see Anime pop up, click on it, and select Animate your image. This will create a completely different cartoon effect, giving your photo that fun, anime-inspired look. And there you have it. Two easy, free ways to turn any photo into a cartoon in Canva. Whether you go with Cartoonify or Anime, you can get creative and make your images truly unique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest tips and tricks. Now it's your turn. Pick a photo, try both methods, and see which cartoon style you love the most.